What would happen if you got sick or hurt and couldn't work for an extended period of time? How would it impact your family's standard of living? Would your family be able to survive without a major disruption? If your answer is no, disability insurance could help replace some of your income. In this video, I'll talk about the different disability coverages available and how you and your family can be protected should you have to endure this difficult experience. Many of us have TDI and workers' comp through our employer. Let's understand how it works. Temporary disability insurance, also known as TDI, provides a partial wage replacement insurance coverage to eligible employees for non-work-related injury or sickness, including pregnancy. If you are eligible for it, it could cover up to 58% of your weekly wage, up to $640 a week, and pay out for no more than 26 weeks. If you are still injured or sick and cannot work past the 26 weeks, sorry, TDI will still not pay you out because it's structured to be temporary. Workers' comp, on the other hand, covers you if you get injured on the job. What if you are involved in an accident or become extremely ill or debilitated and cannot work for an extended period of time? This is where long-term disability insurance can protect you and provide you and your family a safety net. Long-term disability is meant to replace a significant part of your income so your family can maintain their standard of living while you are not working or only able to work part-time due to the injury or illness. Long-term disability coverage typically begins sending you checks after 3 months of not being able to work or have a decrease in work due to an injury or sickness. And it doesn't matter if you got sick or hurt from work or not. You can get checks until you are 65 if you qualify. This is significant as some injuries are permanent, and sometimes people can't resume their normal job. Some employers offer it as part of their benefit package. We highly recommend you check if you have it and what your coverage amount is. Sometimes it's offered, but the amount may only replace a small portion of your income. For many of us in Hawaii, we depend on 2 incomes, and if one income stops or is reduced significantly, it would cause considerable financial challenges. If you would like some professional assistance in reviewing what coverage you have, or want to explore how long-term disability can improve you and your family's protection, please give us a call at 808-527-8878 or visit us at summitfinancialhawaii.com. Mahalo.